Hello everyone, myself Ketan Bhavsar, and right now we have studied the basic programming to how to read the images, how to crop the images, and after that how we can adjust the images, means convert the value in gray images, as well as we can set the brightness and contrast of the images. So let's start the basic second program to read the images first. And first of all we have to start with read the images. As you can see, I first of all read the image. After that, this is the concept of the ROI means the basically it's nothing but it's a reason of interest. As you can see, the concept of ROI, it's basically it's work on region. Let's see, first of all step by step programming. As you can see, first of all read the images. You can see I variable, store the images. After that IM crop means the user programmable crop. Fine. As the image is open, you can program according to your need. See, this is you can program, and if you want to show the particular part you crop, then you have to use IM show. IM show I. See, this is the program that you can see and you can use. So particular part you can crop, particular area you can crop using IM crop command. See, as you can see, the IM crop, it's basically it's based on the region that you're gonna see, and you can see particular part you can crop, as well as particular region, particular area you can crop. It is generally used when you working for the biomedical or satellite images. It's work on that. Now move further. This is the basic program that we can convert the image in terms of the adjustable form. Means we can convert the image in grayscale, as well as we can set the brightness and contrast value using the IM show command. Let's we can further move. Fine. This is the image. You can see it is the form of gray images. This is the image. As you can see, it is a color images or it is a gray images. Now after that, if you change the value over here like 7 and 3, then if again you can start the compiling the program. Oh, this is the image, then low dimensional that they're talking about. So we have to change in original form. Let's do something like this. Fine. As you can see, this is the basic variations in the images as the previously you can show. So basically this is the for the brightness and this is for the contrast point of view. So I'm writing over here. If you are writing right now, you are writing IM adjust. Basically this is a variable, comma, and this is for the brightness and this is for the contrast. So you can vary the contrast and you can vary the brightness using this particular line. After that, this is the conversion of RGB to gray, as you can see, and this is the basic pre-processing step which is generally used to smooth the filter as well as you can averaging the filter. So this is the basic filter. As you can see the specific value over there, you can compile and you can see the value of the particular variables. This is the value you can divide, you can change, as well as this is the averaging. This is app spatial which is inbuilt available. This is the filter value. You can also varying the values and you can see the variation in terms of the values. See, this is the value that you can change, as well as it based on your applications and based on your need. You can see the variation on both the side. See, so this is the variations. So this is the basic concept over that. We are using the pre-processing and brightness, the contrast. We can use ROI. Now in the next video we are talking about something which is greater than or more and the pre-processing step. So thank you for watching.